Welcome back to another day's video. Today we are going to be building a new truck. They just updated Off-Road Outlaws, and I figured, why not? Why not, make a video on some of the new trucks. Today we're going to be focusing on this truck. Yeah, I know I got a couple other ones. I have not done anything to these at all, but we're gonna get into it. First thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna go get some money real quick. We're gonna get some money, and then I'll let you know when we're done. I don't know how to skip intros. I don't got apps to do this, so we're just gonna skip this like this. And the time I snap, you'll be back. So, and like that, we are back. And already we got the money. Now we can start upgrading our truck. That took like a whole 10 minutes because the truck sucks at the moment. It would not go up the hills at all. Which, if you're curious what my trail looks like, made a video on it. So go check it out. I think it's called fastest way to make money or something. Go in. Of course, we're going straight to body parts. Let's see. Maybe that. I think we're gonna stick with that. Wait, which one do I have now? I think that's the one I have. Cage. That looks good, but nah. Nah. Horn. Nah. Yeah. No. Yes. Sure. Gunrunner. Rear. So far we're at the 30 bit. I got 300 out of that. Jeez. Give him the belly. So. Completely black. Black. I know that's not the racist. Right now we're just gonna make it white so I can see the. I like that. Y'all agree? That looks fire. We're at 64 bucks right now. Upgrades. Here goes most of my money. there goes all my money. And I still have turbo and NOS. So that's fully maxed out. Lower that, or should we do that? Yeah, I like that, so. Or do it about halfway. So the truck's kind of big. That's about as high as I want that truck to go. Yeah. That looking real nice. Real nice. Man, I can't put no hood on it. How much horsepower does this thing got? Damn, that sounds pretty good. How much has it got in it, though, is the question. 5, 4, dang. It's got something in it. It's got something in it. Nah. Nice. Well, let's just see. So, we just got back again. We're making a whole lot of money. Money, money, money. To finish upgrading this thing the way we want it, how we like it, if you know what I mean. Understand. We just gotta wait for the load because it takes forever to load. But I do say I want to give a shout out. I don't remember her name that she had on the thing, but I think she knows who she is. She commented on one of my videos about me protesting about how we should have animal sounds. I want to give a shout out to her. Thank you for commenting on one of my videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. I really do. So that truck is, I mean, it is pretty much done. I just want to yeah, like that. So, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.